Have you ever wondered what would happen if you put your hand in the Large Hadron Collider?
So I have thought maybe they'll just shoot through, but it seems to me that what's got to happen is this energy has all got to be dumped because it's now hitting a lot.
Did you know that you can listen to the sounds of atoms bonding?
That's real time as we go across every scan line. This is the change in the frequency as we scan.
And what do you get if you sum up all the natural numbers from 1 to infinity?
It would tend towards infinity.
Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it?
The answer to this sum is, remarkably, minus 12. It's amazing. I mean, I first saw this result when I started learning a bit of string theory.
If you know the answers to some of these questions, then chances are you've seen some of our professors on YouTube channels, like 60 Symbols, or maybe Numberphile. Professors who all teach physics at the University of Nottingham.
This is a very hand-waving description.
The University of Nottingham is set in a beautiful green space, just a few miles from the city centre. Nottingham is an historic city in the heart of England. It's less than 2 hours north of London and is famous for its castle, caves, international cricket at Trent Bridge, nightlife, its ancient pubs, and of course, Robin Hood. It's also a place where people do physics. People like Sir Ambrose Fleming, one of our first ever professors, famous for his left and right hand rules. Or Albert Einstein, who came to visit Nottingham in the summer of 1930. We still have a section of the blackboard he used on display in the department, although I'm not too sure if he put his indices in the right place. But the legacy of excellence in physics survives to this day. We have our own black hole laboratory where physicists simulate the weird effects seen in and around black holes. We have award-winning professors like Claire Burridge, trying to understand the nature of dark energy and the mysterious substance said to be driving the expansion of the universe. We have professors like James Sharp, helping the police by developing new ways to lift fingerprints and detect footprints. We are also the birthplace of MRI, developed in the 1970s by Nobel Prize winner Sir Peter Mansfield and others at Nottingham.
The guinea pig for the first test was Dr. Mansfield himself.
Fine, okay, then press the switch and let's go.
This is the very first picture of a human body taken this way anywhere in the world.
Today, we have award-winning professors like Matt Brooks, who continue to push the boundaries of medical physics by quantum sensing the brain.
Final question. Yeah. Why is it purple? Different colours for different size heads. So this is the biggest helmet we have.
Okay.
There's another one over there which is bright blue, and that's for 2-year-olds. We didn't want some...
As a student at Nottingham, you can be a part of all of this. Our students have opportunities to work directly with professors on cutting-edge research through projects and paid summer internships. Students like Ilaria and Tim, who spent a summer working with one of our world-leading astronomers, Dr. Emma Chapman, on the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Studying physics at Nottingham is a stepping stone to whatever you want it to be. Our graduates go on to professional roles in areas such as physics research, finance, data science and engineering, and so much more. Studying physics at Nottingham is also a lot of fun. But don't take our word for it. Just listen to what our students have to say.